Hi business owner or future business owner, are you ready to dive deeper into your brand identity? Let's explore what makes your brand unique and memorable. But before we do, take a second to invest in your brand's continuous success and subscribe to the channel. Your brand identity encompasses your brand's visual elements, messaging, and personality. Consider how you can express your brand story and values through these components. Craft your brand's story. Describe your business's journey, mission, and values in a concise and compelling narrative. This story will serve as the foundation of your brand identity. Somewhere above this video or in the description below is the link to download our one-page brand story template. Use the worksheet to draft your brand story. This exercise will help you to know how to speak about your brand and communicate your value further on down the line. Keep shining bright. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in day 3's video where we'll create your brand visuals.